Good evening, guys. Farwell Prime here with Update 2 on Tropical Storm Enawo in the southwest Indian Ocean. Currently with winds of 60 and 67 miles per hour, on the verge of becoming a Category 1 cyclone on both the Southwest Indian Ocean scale and the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Right? This is a radar and satellite imagery with a storm definitely a lot more organized than what happened yesterday. Air pressure right now inside the storm is at 990 millibars. And from the looks of it, it's just going to keep on strengthening from here. Starting midnight, the storm is definitely going to be at least a Category 1 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, and a cyclone being its classification here. Into tomorrow afternoon, it's definitely going to strengthen a lot more, moving closer and closer towards Madagascar. Into Monday, I think before landfall, it's going to make it to at least a intense cyclone or a Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. And I'd say by early Tuesday, it might already make landfall in Madagascar. Moving back to right now, located about 300 miles north of Mauritius and around the same distance from the northern part of Madagascar, moving closer and closer, getting stronger and more organized. Elsewhere in the tropics, we have tropical low 96P, which might be a tropical system by either later tonight or by early tomorrow morning, as it passes Darwin and it moves south, about to make a landfall on the northern Australian coast by tomorrow afternoon. Radar and satellite imagery at the moment, it's definitely looking pretty organized. Air pressure at 1,002 millibars. Lots of waves and such. So that's about it, guys, for this tropical update. Until next time, Farewell Prime signing out.